Hello everyone, again your Sahu sir, and today we are going to discuss a very short topic in this video, and that is the nothing but difference between difference between free good and economic good, which we are going to discuss. Free good and economic good, which we are going to discuss. This is the topic today, right? So, based upon that, first of all, we used to write the introduction, right? Under this introduction, first we should write the meaning, and we should know the meaning. What meaning? Let us see. First of all, free good. First of all, free good. What is free good? Right? See here. The goods which are freely available from nature. The goods which are freely available from nature is called as free goods. Is called as free goods, right? Example example, right? Soil, sand, water, air, sunlight, etc. So these goods are which are available freely from the nature. In the same way, what is economic good? Let us see this economic good. Okay, now under this economic good, the economic goods actually, the economic goods are man made goods. Economic goods are the man made goods and have a price because these are the goods which are been man made, the goods which are been made by us, right? For example, furnitures, directly the furnitures are coming from the tree. No, what we are doing, we are getting the raw material as a wood from the nature, and we are been carving it and making it into the furniture. That's why it could become as a furniture, because it is a man-made. Any Samsung tree is there, directly it is giving the Samsung mobiles? No. Mobiles has to be created, mobiles has to be manufactured. Yes, definitely they used to have some sort of price, right? Let us see the difference. So let me take out here the difference here. Free good and here economic good. Okay, na? 2 points I have been take out. 2 topics I have been taken out here, and let us take one a line, right? So under that, number one, okay na? So as usual in the previous we have discussed na, free goods are the gift of nature. Free goods are the gift of nature. But what about the economic good? Sorry, number one na, right? What about the economic good? Economic good are man-made goods. Economic goods are the man-made goods, right? Next, number two. Number two. In the previous only we have explained the right. Next, number two, right? Their supply is abandoned. The supply is abandoned. means the supply of nature, sunlight is continuously available, right? And next, water is also continuously available, right? And next, likewise, air is a continuous available. So their supply is abundant, is nothing but continuous supply. Under this economic good, okay na, supply 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 of economic good supply of economic good is less less than the demand, less than the demand, because here the demand is more but the supply is less. The demand is more but the supply is less under the economic good. Okay, now next one we will see number 3. Number 3 is no price of goods. No price of goods. Okay, now free goods are available completely freely, no price at all. Whereas economic good, okay, now they have a price. Compulsory they have a price. Right? Next, number 4. Here there is no cost of production. There is no cost of production because air, any company is manufacturing the air, any company is manufacturing the water, Reliance company is manufacturing the water, or Tata company is manufacturing the air. No, it is given out freely by the nature only, na? So here the air is completely come over from the nature and there is no cost of production because it is been created by the nature, but it is quite opposite to economic good. But what is happened here under this economic good, there is a cost of production. There is a cost of production. Okay, now why? Because everything is to be manufactured, right? Raw material they used to bring it, transportation expenditures, laborers are working, then they have to pay the wages and salaries, transportation from one place to the another place, taxes, right? So these are all some sort of cost of productions which have been included in the economic good because it is a man-made. That is why due to the cost of production only they used to have the price. Due to the cost of production only they used to have the price. Okay, now next, the other one we will discuss, that is number 5 we will discuss. Number 5 is it is or the free good. Okay, now free good is not used to calculate national income because free goods are nothing but non-economic activity now. It's a non-economic activity and non-economic activities are completely free which cannot be taken out for the calculation of national income. But whereas number 5 here, economic goods is completely having the economic activities. They used to follow the economic activities. They used to have the economic activities and calculate for national income. They used to utilize for the calculation of national income. Economic goods are being used for the calculation of national income because it deals with the economic activity. Non-economic activity do not constitute to national income, but economic activity they used to constitute to national income, right? So this is some 5 points we have been discussed today, right? I hope everyone is getting understanding. If you have any sort of doubts or any sort of suggestions, do comment me, as well as please subscribe to my channel for more and more updates. Okay, na? Thank you so much.